Hello friends, thank you so much for clicking this video. I'm Sunday Oyewale from October School of Shoemaking and Craft. Okay, I have this wool, a traditional wool. This is a very common wool which is used for stitching, and what I want to show you in here is I want to show you how you can use this to do different styles of stitching. Yes, that's what I want to show you. I've used this to do different styles of stitching, and eventually it comes out as if I use a sophisticated needle to do that. This is just the needle I use in stitching doing that. So I would like you to watch this video to see how I use this traditional wool to do these different stitches on a project. So you are working on your project and you can't lay your hands on the sophisticated wool. These two can really work like magic. So watch it to see how you can use this to do different stitches on your project. I'm Oyewale Sunday from October School of Shoemaking. I'd like you to give me a like for this video, and not just the like, I'd like you to go to the description of this course. There's a full detailed course on all the tools you need to get your shoemaking career on. This is part of it, and the use of this is part of it. So there's a free course in there. Go to the link in the column. The link is going to direct you to where you can take. The course is free of charge. Go in there. The School of Shoemaking, it's live. You can start taking your course anywhere you are in the world. You can start taking the shoemaking course. So let's watch it and let's learn from it. I have a straight line in there. I want to have two parallel straight line here, and I want to get the stitching round on it once. It's quite easy to get that done. What we're going to be doing is just to come in here. I'm going to be using fishing line, nylon thread, a poly thread. Come in here, get to see the way I'm working on this. Here, right now, see, I get to bring it. See the way I start in there. There's different methods at which you can start. I can come in here and start it just like this, and come in here again. Make sure it comes out on the line. Let it start in here like this, and let it come in this way. Doing this, I'm going to have a two straight line at the same time. I'm going to come in again, having this total straight line in there. Come in right here, you can see just a single stitch, and we're able to get the two out. Two lines out once. Most of the time this is being used for decorative stitch in there. Like this, you can see coming up that way, and it goes like that. like this, and we're able to get this out. Okay, we got this out right now. I can get to knot it in, got it like this, out. Okay, as well what we did, and we give us 2 straight line once. Okay, right now what we're going to do again is to just come and repeat these 2 straight line, and it's going to give us another forms of stitching lines. See right now, come in here, pick a pen like this, is going to guide us. Pick a pen like that. Okay, and when I kind of pick it, I do this. The same way I start in here is where I'm going to start. Okay, I start like this, but I'm going to change it. The other one in here, the way I start is that I pull it out completely, but I'm not going to pull it out completely this time. I'm going to put one like this, and put it inside this, like this, and then knot it back. So it's going to give it a grip, like this at the first stitch. You can see that. Come in there, I come again, same on the same O, and I do this, out. Here, complete a 4 cycle of stitch, this way. Going and the next round of stitch right now. Pick another set round of stitch out, and you have this out. Pick this, let this come, just coming over it this way. Then you pull it out, and we are done with another second round of stitch. Pick it out again. Just one more. Okay, we're done with this. I'm going to disconnect it this way. Going to continue. I'm going to have the same thing like this. Just going to continue same here like that way. So I'm going to be doing another one in here. There's so much different methods that we can unstitch. This method is mostly found on your messenger bags, your loafers. You have this in there. So coming in here, and I'm going to be doing almost same thing. Like you can see the way I just work on it. I'm going to be doing a zigzag on this. So working on zigzag on this is how it's going to go about it. I'm going to start the same way. I've been starting for the past two methods. Come in here, I pull it out, go in again. This time around, I'm going to come to this side. Instead of coming to this side, I come to this point, I pull it out, take notes, I put this out, and I come in here. I come in here and I have this like this. So coming back is going to give me a multiple to get this way. It's going over. Pick this, going over that way. Okay. This way. Come in here, this way. Repeating the same thing there. Like this. Coming this way. Doing the same thing we've been doing, just gonna go on like that. Okay, hope you like what you've seen. As I said, it's quite easy. Just follow it step by step, and at the end you will have a basic understanding how to fix this. Hope you like it. I'd like you to give me a thumbs up for this video, and if you're not a subscriber, kindly subscribe. And while you're subscribing, click on the bell button so you can have a notification on our subsequent upload on this platform. Okay, at the beginning of the video I said there is a plus for you watching to the end, and the plus is that I have a course down in the description column of this video. Go in there, there's a link in there, click it, which is going to navigate you to where to take a free detailed course about the video you've just watched. This detailed course, it has no cost, and which comes with support. So whenever you've taken the course to some point and you need some support, there is a forum at which you can get support for that. Thank you so much. I'm Oyewale Sunday, and anything you do, never stop learning.